Are they allowed to laugh loudly in Hawaii? Or is it just a aloha? You're welcome.
Hey,
Yeah.
see the corn rustling around? Oh, that
Baby
one running.
jumping.
Yeah. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just right there. And there's one just over here somewhere.
That one baby's hyper. He keeps running.
Yeah. It's cool. Oh, going right into her.
It's funny to watch them eating it like that, eh?
It's cool, eh?
Yeah.
It's fun to watch.
Yeah, you can just see the corn going back and forth like
Yeah.
this as they get it in their mouth.
I love it.
Oh, there's that baby. Look at him just running.
Yeah.
Holy mackerel.
I was running.
Yeah.
It's just ripping through there.
Yeah. They're watching us now. Hey, what are
Yeah.
you guys doing looking at my baby?
Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And the other one somewhere.
They'll get used to our voice. So I've been going around trying to modernize the house by taking down some of their old curtains / blinds or whatever they're called. So right here, I'll show you in my dining room, they had actual like long blinds over the long vertical blinds over the patio doors. So I took them down and replaced them with curtains. Check this out. So here, if you look back in an old video, was really, really dated looking long blinds. Took them down, put these nice curtains up instead. In here into the dining room, there was curtains, like there's this white blind here you can pull down, which we almost never will because it's such a beautiful view. And then at the top here was like a half curtain, like a decorative piece of curtain. I don't know what they're called. Here, let me show you an example. Up here, it's like this. Whatever those are, they have them like everywhere in this house. So there was one up here. I took it down because it was super dated looking, and then curtains on each side that were really dated looking as well. So I ripped them down and just left this little blind in case like the sun's beaming in, it's too hot, just something to fold down, but I doubt that we will. I mean, we love it. Oh, and I built that trampoline out back for Sam. There's her trampoline. She loves that. So down here in the mud room, there was that little like half piece of curtain at the very top here. I took it down, and then another middle piece one there. It was the strangest thing, but I didn't like it and it looked super dated. So I took them down. And on this door into the garage, there was a really dated looking curtain there, and I took it down. Because I mean, that just looks into the garage, so it doesn't matter at all. Back out this way. So this is still a little dated. This is the front door. And it's a little bit dated still, just this curtain, but it's all I had to replace it with. Because here there was a top like half frilly piece that was really dated, and then a bottom half frilly piece. So I didn't like them, so I just put this one piece on here, and it covers most of the door anyway. So that's fixed up, looks a little nicer. And in the living room here, here's Sam. These are our new couches. We bought some new couches.
And I built the pillow for it.
And she built a pillow for it down there. So we got some nice new couches for this room. And there's Sam's pillow fort. And I took the curtains down that were in here. They're up in Sam's room, so I'll show them to you. They're like floraled, really dated looking. So they're gone. So this room is going to be one of our first projects. What we're going to do, so I've taken the curtains down that were super dated. Like they basically looked like that, those like that in floral. They basically looked like this wallpaper in floral, like it was really not nice. So what we're going to do in here is we're going to take all this wallpaper off the wall. Luckily, it's just a strip. But we're gonna take it all off. We're gonna pull all of these little things out, fill the holes, and paint this whole room white. So that'll like really update this room, because it's a really beautiful room. And with our new furniture, so with our furniture in here now, here's just kind of like a look on an angle here. So with our furniture, the wallpaper gone, painted white, it'll update it so much in here. That's one of the first orders of business. And those curtains gone, I mean, we'll probably replace these as well, these blinds or curtains, whatever they are. We'll probably replace them with something else, but right now I'm glad to just have that. I'll take you upstairs and show you the floral curtains that I just took down from here. So these floral curtains are the ones that were just in the living room. They look way better up here in Sam's room, like a little girl's room, but they're not pretty for our living room. So we have 1 or possibly 2 more loads to get out of the storage unit, and then we're done.
Yeah, I think maybe 1.5.
Yeah.
The problem is there's a little bit, like that old shelf that we moved here, and I thought we shouldn't from the start, actually.
Yeah.
We're going to throw that out because that's no good.
It's garbage.
So we're going to get rid of that. That mirror broke.
Few things.
We don't believe in luck, so we don't worry about the bad luck there for 7 years.
Yeah.
Other than that, we have our kitchen table. That thing, that'll be fun.
The big generator, yeah.
But we're fine. We're going to be out of storage after this.
Yay.
I still got like more to set up at the house and unpack, but at least they'll all be there.
Yes, that's right. And out of here. So.
Yeah.
Most of it is in the garage. Like a ton of it's been unpacked out of the garage, but that's where we've been storing it. So grateful to have that garage. Just been throwing everything in there and slowly bringing it into the house. So it's been real nice.
That's convenient.
You're right.
We're also having somebody check out where to put that driveway in for the garage. So that's going to be coming up soon. We're just waiting to hear back on that. So we'll let you know as soon as we know.
Yeah.
And then, because we're going to do a garage on the far left side.
Yeah.
You'll see it all when we get there. And then, put the pad down there and build it. But we got to get a driveway because it's pretty steep, like one spot.
Yeah.
Just to grade it out. So we were talking to somebody about that today, though. So that should be soon.
Yay.
Yes. Yay, indeed. I can't wait. That was one thing about that place that I was just about ready to do the interior of that garage, right?
Our last place.
Yeah.
Right?
So, I mean,
Now we'll have a
we'll
new
just
one.
have to do it again.
You're right.
And tweak a few things.
Yeah.
We're going to do double doors, stuff like that.
Be an
Maybe a
even
little
better
deeper,
setup.
not sure. The size is actually pretty good, more than anything the double doors I want.
Yeah.
So, but we'll get to that when we get to it.
Yep.
And
Let's get it framed up.
yeah, anyways, we'll get this out.
Sun's beaming on us again, of course. Just arrived here and it's like instantly hotter.
So I'll start with the heaviest thing. Get this
Yay.
out of the way.
Yeah. You just load it in.
Yeah. All right.
I be up?
I think that's how we did it. Like you just stand up there and grab this end,
Okay.
like do a squat.
Yeah.
I'll line it up.
Yeah. Good thing I wore my good trusty shoes.
Yeah, in a full evening dress. Ready?
A little higher. There.
There. That wasn't too bad.
No.
You all right?
Luckily,
Good?
My guns
Oh,
are
yeah.
here. To help you.
Guns and buns. Hey. Deep squat.
Yeah. Just trying to get it in so we have lots of space. Oop. Bust it up.
You should fold that down.
Really? What one?
Yeah. You got it. I don't want to put my arms there and then you've. Let me just do it.
There's bumps. next pain in the rear end will be the freezer. Because it's big too.
Pretty sure I loaded that alone.
What?
Pretty sure I loaded that alone.
No.
Yeah, I did.
No way.
Yep, go to the video for that.
There is no way.
Here, let's get this thing out of the way.
What thing? Oh yeah. I wish they had a dumpster here. Probably everybody would be using it though.
Can you lift it a bit higher? Yeah. There we go. Just set her down here. That's it.
You want a couple tires in here now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll put them up there beside that Jenny. Just rolls right back out.
Yeah. What, this one too?
Yeah, I'll put it right on that side. And this one's like fully bald.
Yeah.
There's like a chunk right out of it there.
So you just need the rims and then you're getting rid of those tires?
Yeah, I'll take the rims off. One of the rims are bad now.
All right.
Where the heck? We got lots of Jerry's.
We sure do. What are we doing with this? Just push it over to the side for now?
Yeah, just set it in there. I think no matter what, we're coming back, so.
Yeah.
Whew, it's warm.
It's so hot.
What are you thinking we should grab next?
I don't know, one of these two big items? Freezer or the generator?
What about this?
Yeah.
I don't think that's fitting right now.
No, well this one?
I don't think either one, no. But we can throw this stuff in there. This can go in the back.
Yeah.
We can throw these in. All right, the shelf that you wanted to keep so badly.
Yeah. It's now being terminated.
After you. Oh, my land.
Easy.
That's a good quality shelf.
It was good quality until it got banged up.
I don't know if it was ever good quality.
Oh, well, there you go. It's broken.
Yeah.
We can now load it and bring it home.
Hey, yeah. Hey, nothing but the finest furniture.
Yeah.
Remember there were some people saying about you moving my junk furniture, this just your shelf,
Oh, yeah.
on the video when we were moving?
Yeah.
So like, what's she doing with that guy moving his pressboard shelf or something?
It's my junk I wanted moved.
Yeah. I was like, it ain't mine, pal. Man, it's so crappy too, like all those edges.
Yeah.
Like they must have a bunch of moisture in them because they just pull out the screws like nothing.
I feel like there
It's
was
all pressboard though.
a lot of moisture in this building.
Container? Yeah.
Yes. No good.
Luckily it wasn't there that long.
No.
That's kind of sketchy. You want to pull that up? Maybe just pull this way?
Hold it.
Just slightly, yeah. Maybe I'll be able to slip it in there.
And then close. No.
What is these?
Yeah, it's just hitting.
Right through our window.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd have to lift them probably. Can you close it? If it pulled them up?
Are they going to go through that glass?
No. Do they close yet or no?
No.
Okay. Have to go higher. Okay. Close?
You're going to have to tie that down
Yeah.
like that. Do we have those black bungees in here?
Hopefully.
There's this small bungee.
That'll probably do, eh? Hopefully. What do we not have to wrap it around or something?
I don't really trust your hands holding it while I pull on it. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
If I could go through over there, it'd be better.
Yeah, I could try.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, it'll stay. Has to stay on, right? Did that slide right off? Good. How do I make it so it won't slide off? I might need a longer one.
Yeah, if it'd have to go like back the other direction. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just press you along and we'll hook it down to the hook right down here.
Yeah.
You know, in the box.
Yeah.
All right, here. Pretty long enough itself.
Yeah. So what am I doing?
Yeah, you just throw this over that.
Over and around?
Just down to here. Wherever that hook's at.
Oh, right. Want me to move some of that or?
Can I get to it? Am I anywhere near it?
That one I might have to move. There. Yeah, I'll find it. Throw that in after.
Stuff just pops, eh? You could throw that around. I'll just wrap it quick right here, just to keep it from flailing everywhere.
Yeah.
That should be fine.
Nice.
Sweet.
Done for now. So we got everything out. We're finally done with these storage units. I'm not impressed with this one. A lot of our stuff seemed to have mold on it, so I'll never come here again.
Hopefully we never have to go to any of them again.
Yeah. Exactly. All right, well, we're done.
Yeah, man, that's a good feeling.
Yeah, now we just have to unload.
Yeah, we'll get this back to the house and that's it.
Yay!
She should hold up.
Hopefully.
Eh?
Yeah. It's our second load. It's so hot out today, so that's why we're in a change of clothes as well.